When you are talking about cleaning your electrodes, I'm assuming that you're talking about just cleaning the surface where you're going to be welding. Most of the time that we recommend using Scotch-Brite. This red Scotch-Brite pad is the miracle cloth for copper. In fact, I usually take a big piece of Scotch-Brite and actually cut it into 3 more usable sections of Scotch-Brite. So if I'm going to use this Scotch-Brite, even on this electrode, the face of your electrode is what you want to be clean. Around the sides of it doesn't really matter. The face is what's going to be making the contact. That's what has to be clean. And so watch what's going to happen when I take this Scotch-Brite. With a few easy swipes, I can clean that surface of that electrode. Now we have the contamination off there. Now we are making a better contact when this electrode is touching the bottom of that metal, because that's where that passage of current is going through. It must be kept clean. So this Scotch-Brite for just cleaning is probably your best bet. We do not recommend files being used on electrodes. Files have teeth, they leave grooves, and you can't ever get an electrode shaped back to normal. Now, if you're talking about reshaping or conditioning electrode, that's when you have to go into a more complicated process of redressing or reforming that electrode back to a new condition. But simple cleaning, Scotch-Brite's your best tool.